Okay, hi everyone. I'm so excited for today's video. So if you didn't know, if you couldn't tell by this big Sylveon head back here, I'm a huge Pokemon fan, and today I want to do kind of like a challenge video. And this is one that I came up with. So I'm gonna have my Pokemon cards pick my makeup, and how this is gonna work is I have the Marnie Champions Path Premium Collection, and I'm going to open up all of these booster packs, and I'm going to do a makeup look inspired by the best card I pull. And if I don't get anything good in here, I also have this Vivid Voltage blister pack with 3 booster packs inside. I'm very excited to open this. It comes with 8 booster packs. It has a little Morpeko and Grimmsnarl pin, and then the matching promo cards, and there's also a playmat in here, which I'm really excited. I love Marnie, so I'm gonna try and find a better angle so that you can see me open all these up, and yeah, let's get into it. So first, I just want to show you all the playmat here. It has Marnie and Morpeko and Grimmsnarl on it, and it's so cute, just like a mousepad material. I love her so much. I think this is so cute. Okay, I hope the audio is okay over here, but I just wanted to show you guys the little enamel pins. So here's the little Grimmsnarl one and the little Morpeko one. I love these enamel pins. I wish the sets that came with them weren't so expensive sometimes, but they're super cute. Here are the promo cards, the Morpeko V and the Grimmsnarl V. They're really pretty and really glossy. And now let's get into the fun stuff. So here are the 8 booster packs that come in the Marnie collection. Of course, they're all Champions Path. And I believe these all have a holo inside, so the code card for all of them is going to be a white and green. And so let's get to opening. So here's the first pack, green and white code card, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 from the back. I really like the cards in this set. I think they're so cute. Scrafty and ooh, Graplocked V. This one's really pretty. I love the V cards. I think the like this sort of linear hollow design on them is so beautiful. And then here the next pack, once again, a green and white code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoop, we're upside down. Ooh. Oh, Hop. I love Hop. I think he's so cute. Oh, and a Scrafty holo rare. Sorry if I go out of frame or if you can't see the cards very well. This is my first time ever trying to film something like this, and it's an awkward angle for me. We got our white and green code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is 4 okay? Oh, a Kabu. Piers. Oh, Victini reverse there. And then, ooh, an Eldegoss V. Once again, I mean, these V cards are so pretty. I really like them. Next pack, code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy, Absol, Great Ball. Oh, Pokemon Center Lady, that one's so cute too. Scrafty reverse again. And a Centiskorch. Let's see how many of these we can find in this box. Sonia, and ooh, a Galarian Obstagoon holo. Ooh, Beedrill reverse, and an Altaria holo. Oh, Hop reverse. Oh, he's so cute. And then, ooh, Dreadnought V. I actually already have this one that I got in a lot on eBay. He's so silly looking. Look at his little face. Okay, so this is the last pack from that Marnie box. Let's see what we can get out of this one. So, code card. 1, 2, 3. Hop again. Oh, Victini reverse. Oh, and a Zygarde regular holo rare. So 3 out of 8 had V card pulls. The rest of them did have holo rares, but holo rares are guaranteed in this set. So there's nothing too crazy in here. These are really beautiful cards regardless. But now I do have these three Vivid Voltage packs that I'm going to open. So there's a Lugia coin in there. I have 3 of these from the Pokeball tins that came out recently. And then this is the little promo card. It's a little hollow Sobble and he's crying. And then there's Scorbunny and Grookey in the background, which I just think is so cute. Okay, first Vivid Voltage pack is a green and white code card, which is great. I don't know the card trick for this one, so we're just gonna get through here. So, ooh, Galarian Darmanitan V. Very beautiful card. I love all the blue in here. Ugh, the second pack is a solid green, so probably nothing really good in here. Oh, I don't know the card trick in here, so let's just see what our rare is. Ooh, Samurott. This one's really neat. I really like Samurott too, so I'm not mad at that. Oh, and his attack here, that's pretty powerful, so. But a Dusclops reverse, look at his little eye. Oh, and Galarian Meowth, oh my goodness. I love how funky Galarian Meowth is. Oh, he's so cute. Okay, this is the last pack I have today, but white and green code card, that's always good to see. And then, Hollow Rare Wailord. I really like the hollows though. I love, once again, it's that linear hollow. What else is here? Oh my goodness, look at this little Clefairy. That's so cute. Oh, and the Sandile, look at his smile. So yeah, that's all of the cards, and now I'm gonna pick one to do my makeup based off of. So here are all the V cards that we pulled, and just looking at them, I mean, there's nothing really inspiring me as much as this Grimmsnarl. And so I know that this was a promo card and not technically a pull, but I think I'm going to do a makeup look inspired by him. Okay, so here's the card, and I just put him in a little top loader so I don't get any makeup on him. But I'm really gonna play off of these purples and greens and a little bit of red. As you can see, I've already put my blush on and I used this red tone blush. I think I'm going to do mostly purple with a little bit of green and maybe some white just to represent his teeth. So the palettes I pulled for this are first ABH Norvina. I think this is volume 3 because this I know has some really good greens. And there's a really nice red in here too. And some purpley tones. But for like a really deep bold purple, I pulled the Revolution Curses and Hexes palette for that purple right up there. So like always, I'm just priming my eyes. Ignore this, I cut myself shaving my eyebrows off today. So I'm just gonna start with just like a light purpley shade to be the transition, and I'm gonna use the shade B4 from the Norvina palette. I've never used this palette before, so I'm excited. So now I'm going into the bolder purple from the Makeup Revolution palette, and this shade is called Jinx. And I'm just going to deepen up and kind of intensify like a new crease. I'm going to do a cut crease like I always do, but just have this on kind of a flat brush. So this is looking a little bit messy right now, so I'm just going to take the original brush I used and just sort of buff everything together so that it's not, yeah, see, it's a little bit patchy up here. I just blend everything together and blend it out a little bit. Okay, so now that I have all the purple on, I'm gonna cut my crease and make room for the green. And because Grimmsnarl has these sort of points where his eyes go, I want to create sort of like a cut crease and then like a sharp triangle to really sort of capture that element of his design. I think that might look really neat, so let me try that. Okay, so this is the kind of shape that I came up with, like a regular cut crease shape, but then like this big spike. I didn't want to make it look like a wing, but I feel like when my eyes open and I'm looking straight forward like this, you can tell that it's just like this spiky kind of shape. I don't know, I think it looks really neat. So I just did that with some, not concealer, eyeshadow primer on my little brush here, I just began cutting the crease like I normally would, but then when I get to kind of the outer third, I instead take just a little bit on the very tip of my brush, and I just went up and then back down to the outer corner of my eye. And it kind of creates, yeah, that spiky shape, and then I just filled it in with more eyeshadow primer. Okay, so now I'm gonna fill in that part that I just cut with some green. I want it to be a more emeraldy green, so I'm going in with the shade E1 from the Norvina palette, and I'm just going to pat that all over the area that I just put the eyeshadow primer on. Okay, so that was a pain in the ass to get on evenly, and I'm not really liking how it's looking right now. It looks a little Joker-esque, but I'm going to take some black liquid liner and outline the green, just because I feel like it's not popping as much with the purple as I would have liked it to. Well, this looks like shit and I hate it, but I'm gonna continue on anyways. So I'm gonna put a little bit of red underneath. This is the shade C2 from the Norvina palette. And now, just for like fun, I'm gonna try and use this white eyeliner and create almost like the little teeth underneath my eyes. I look like garbage, but whatever. Okay, so I tried to use this white eyeliner to create like the teeth. I don't know, it just looks like garbage. I really, I hate this. But I just threw on some mascara and I'm just kind of over it. But I don't know, this video was fun, and you guys can kind of see what it's like for me to try to come up with something off the top of my head. Usually I'll plan out my looks a little better, but yeah, this just does not look good. Okay, well that's it for today's video. This look doesn't look too bad from like a distance. I don't know, I just put on some nude gloss. I was too lazy to do like a full lip. But this was really fun to film. I hope you guys enjoy watching it at least. I'd like to do more like this in the future. Hopefully it's not as much of a failure as this one was. But no, I had a lot of fun filming, even though the look didn't turn out as well as I had hoped. And that's really all I have to say. So thanks for watching. Bye.